Welcome to this webinar about large-scale device provisioning using CloudRail. So you already know how easy it is to connect industrial sensors or OPC UA devices to a cloud using the CloudRail.Box. In this case, I've already connected two sensors, a vibration sensor and a temperature sensor, as well as an OPC UA server, all to AWS for this example. And what I want to show you now is how to take this setup and scale it to 100 or even 1,000 or millions of installations. So for example, you're a machine builder and you're including the CloudRail.Box all with the same sensor set into your machine, and you want to now deploy it basically on a large scale. So what you do is you take this setup and create a template out of it. A template basically describes what sensors and what OPC UA devices are connected to the CloudRail.Box and to which cloud they should send data. So with that template in place, what you need to do is you need to physically install the hardware, of course. So you take the CloudRail.Box, you plug in the cables, you connect it to power, you take the I/O module, you take the sensors, all in factory settings, you just plug it in. Next, you scan the QR code, which is always located on the right side of the CloudRail.Box. And this QR code automatically takes you to the dedicated portal, which can be customized according to your needs. So you can ask, for instance, which template do you want to use? For which machine do you want to use that template? It can be asked for a serial number, for instance, of the machine where the CloudRail.Box is being installed. So it's really customizable. It's up to you what you want to ask for in this form. So you just enter all the information, click on connect, and that's basically it. Alternatively, if you have the information somewhere digitally, you can also use a powerful API to provide that additional information, like for example, the serial number of the machine where the CloudRail.Box is being installed on. That's already it. So what we do in the background is we check if all devices are connected. So are all sensors plugged in, for instance? Is it the right sensor? Is it on the right port? So basically a physical check of the hardware. The CloudRail.Box automatically deploys those devices to your AWS account via the API. It's an automated deployment of all connected sensors. It deploys edge functions if you have edge functions as part of the template, and it also tests the connection. So basically, after this process of scan, enter some basic information, you have that CloudRail.Box set up, and it already starts sending data into your AWS account in this example. From there, it can be all managed through the CloudRail Device Management Cloud. So you can monitor all devices, including the connected sensors and OPC UA servers. You can change the configuration. You can change edge functions if you want to. You can update the firmware, so remote firmware update. It's also super important, especially regarding security. And this is all in sync with the device management functionality of your cloud platform. So in this example, all devices you add here also appear in the device management section of AWS. So with that, CloudRail is really amazing tool to create a fast proof of concept, so to quickly realize a pilot project, but it's also the right tool to go into large scale to deploy thousands or millions of devices if you want to. Thanks for watching.